What's up everyone? It's your Manta Bud and we're back with another video. Today we're diving into the world of iPhone. Those hidden features Apple doesn't always shout about, but can seriously level up your daily grind. Shout out to Nelson's Wireless LLC for sponsoring, keeping you connected and in the know. First up, we're kicking it off with back tap. This feature is straight up genius. Double or triple tap the back of your iPhone to take a screenshot. No more fumbling around, just pure instant action. Customize it to launch apps, control music, you name it. It's all about making your iPhone work the way you work. Next up, we're talking about the measure tool. And no, I'm not talking about some clunky app. This is baked right into your iPhone using augmented reality. Open the measure app, point your camera, and bam, it's like magic. Get accurate measurements in real time, no bulky tools needed. This feature is seriously cool, especially in noisy environments, or if you want to stay extra aware of your surroundings. It's called sound recognition. It turns your iPhone into a personal assistant. To set it up, go to Settings, Accessibility, then Sound Recognition, and choose the sounds you want. It's super customizable and a game changer for accessibility. Let's talk about personalization. Assign unique vibration patterns to your contacts. Know who's calling without looking at your phone. Go to Contacts, find the person, hit Edit, and select Vibration. It's a small detail, but it adds a new level of customization. We all have those photos on our phones that we'd rather not share, right? Instead of deleting them or worrying about someone swiping through, use iPhone's Hide Photos feature. It keeps pics private in a separate album protected by your passcode or Face ID. Open the photo, tap the share button, and scroll to hide. A simple way to keep your private photos private. Typing on a phone can be a pain, especially if you're in a hurry. What if I told you there's a way to type faster? That's where text replacement comes in. Create shortcuts for commonly used phrases or words. Head to Settings, General, Keyboard, and Text Replacement. Ever get annoyed by your iPhone's volume being too loud or too quiet? I've got good news for you. There's a hidden trick for precise volume control. Hold down the volume button and a detailed slider appears. This gives you more control over the exact volume level. Let's face it, the default iPhone ringtones can get old. You can set custom ringtones for individual contacts. Give your bestie their own theme song. Go to Contacts, select the contact, and tap Edit. Choose from Apple's ringtones, or use your own music or sound effects. We've all been there. A friend asks for your Wi-Fi password, and you have to find it and read it out loud. With Wi-Fi password sharing, those days are over. Instantly share your Wi-Fi password with other Apple devices. Just tap Share Password and boom, they're connected. QR codes are everywhere these days, from restaurant menus to event tickets. You can use your camera app to scan them, but there's a faster way using the control center. Swipe down from the top right corner to open it and find the QR code scanner icon. Access it with just a swipe and a tap. Using a larger iPhone with one hand can be a challenge, but fear not, the one-handed keyboard is here to save the day. This feature shrinks the keyboard to one side, making it easier to reach all the keys. To activate, hold down the emoji or globe icon and select left or right-handed keyboard. If you're like me, you probably have a million tabs open in Safari. Instead of tapping the tab switcher, try long pressing it. This brings up a menu with useful options. Quickly close all tabs, open a new tab, or start private browsing. Let's talk about safety for a second, because it's something we should all take seriously. Your iPhone has a built-in feature called Emergency SOS that can be a lifesaver in an emergency. Press the side button 5 times quickly to call for help. This will call emergency services and text your emergency contacts. Bulky scanners are a thing of the past. Use your iPhone's Notes app to scan documents. Open a new note, tap the camera icon, and select Scan Documents. Save the scan as a PDF or image file for easy sharing or storage. Last but not least, we have a feature that's incredibly useful, yet often overlooked, the magnifier. This handy tool turns your iPhone into a magnifying glass, zooming in on text or objects. To activate, go to Settings, Accessibility, Magnifier, and toggle it on. Access it quickly by triple clicking the side button on your iPhone. And there you have it, guys. 15 hidden iPhone features you need to know. These are just a few ways to enhance your iPhone experience. From boosting productivity to staying safe, these features make life easier. Dive into your settings and start exploring. You might be surprised at what you discover. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks to Nelson's Wireless LLC for sponsoring this video. Stay awesome, stay blessed, and keep discovering new iPhone features.